the Fast Strike, a tactical whip that delivers impactful strikes without being lethal. Weighing just 85 grams and measuring 43 centimeters, it's perfect for keeping close-range attackers at bay without needing any power or refills, all for a mere $25. The Bison Gears Kiridashi is so tiny you can attach it to your keychain. Inspired by the traditional Japanese Kiridashi knife, it has a single sharp edge with a blade angle between 30 and 60 degrees. Weighing just 4.3 grams and made of 8CR13 MOV steel, this compact gem is priced at $19. The M48 knife is a classic trench knife that first came about during World War I, designed specifically for tight spots like trenches and dugouts. It's amazing how this timeless piece is still available today at great prices. The M48 Liberator model features a stainless steel blade measuring 19 centimeters, known for being razor sharp and incredibly durable with a lovely satin finish. The handle, crafted from fiberglass reinforced nylon, ensures a comfortable and secure grip. Grab the M48 Liberator, complete with its case, for just $80. Meet the Tightener Titanium Folding Fan, a multifunctional wonder priced at $359. This tool is tough enough to break bricks yet incredibly lightweight. Just 158 or 249 grams depending on the version. Made from titanium and a water-resistant silk screen, it's ready for custom colors. The fan's step design makes it flexible and effective for self-defense. Plus, it's built to last a lifetime. Meet the Byrna Shield, a stylish everyday backpack that transforms into a protective shield when danger appears. In just a couple of seconds, a special plate deploys to guard you, capable of stopping bullets from a 7.62 by 51 millimeter rifle from 15 meters away. It comes with mole support, perfect for carrying first aid supplies or flashlights. Plus, it includes a bleeding stop kit. The top-tier version is available for around $900. Built with lightweight but durable materials, the Byrna Shield ensures that safety doesn't come at the cost of comfort or style, making it an essential accessory for urban adventurers. The top slingshot gained popularity in 2017 among casual target shooters who enjoy hitting cans. In response to feedback, the team created the Mini Sling, a compact slingshot that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. Despite its size, it can shoot accurately up to 15 meters, making it a unique and enjoyable option for both recreational use and self-defense. The Mini Sling is available for around $150. Introducing the Wonder Hoodie, the very first hoodie made from the special SWX fabric that offers protection against cuts and stabs. Easy to care for, weighing 900 grams, it's machine washable and can be dried like your regular clothes. The smallest size, XS, comes in at $825. And as a bonus, it includes fire protection. With 1.3 million women facing assaults each year in the US, Pavashot is stepping up with innovative self-defense tools. The pen shot looks like an ordinary pen, but can shoot up to 9 meters. For a longer reach, there's the stick shot, reaching targets up to 15 meters. Both use a potent capsaicin spray that packs a punch. The pen shot is priced at $149, and the stick shot is just $99. Next is the Go Guarded Ring. Made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, it's both lightweight and strong. Worn on your dominant hand, it delivers effective strikes while looking just like a trendy accessory. Available in 2 sizes, it's priced at just $15. The PROTEKKT Life-Saver is your handy multi-tool, combining a flashlight, a 120 decibel siren, and 2 steel tips for all kinds of emergencies. It can break windows and cut seatbelts to rescue someone trapped in a car. Measuring 142 millimeters, It fits nicely in your purse and includes a clip for attaching to a belt or car visor, starting at just $34 on Indiegogo. The Stinger Starship is a compact yet durable lock and latch combo that boosts your front door security. Measuring 12 centimeters and weighing only 76.5 grams, it's incredibly portable. Plus, it features a built-in glass breaker and seatbelt cutter for added versatility. Get yours for just $35. Get ready for the Cop, an innovative combination of a clutch bag and pepper spray. Its greatest advantage is the element of surprise. Attackers won't see it coming. It also features a built-in flashlight for aiming accurately, even in low-light situation. Tracer Security calls the Cop the world's most creative pepper spray holder, available for just $60. The Knuckle Stun Gun is designed for a firm grip during tense moments. A typical model costs $50 and can cause muscle spasms and confusion in just 2 seconds. After 5 seconds, an attacker is likely to fall, feeling quite disoriented. Some versions even include bright lights and glass breakers. Imagine being approached by a criminal for your smartphone. Instead of panicking, you discreetly pull out Knyphe, the knife and case combo designed for the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Costing $89, it features a hidden knife made of 440C stainless steel, weighing just 22 grams with a 54mm blade. Dart launchers have made their debut in self-defense sections of many online shops, and for good reason. Despite their playful appearance, some can hit targets beyond 9 meters and shoot accurately from 6 meters away. The darts are crafted from 440C steel, measuring 104 millimeters long and weighing 8 grams. The Ballistic dart launcher retails for just $40. Understanding the weighty responsibility of gun ownership, Byrna wanted to offer a unique solution. So they created the Byrna pneumatic gun, a non-lethal option that fires balls filled with pepper or tear gas. Just one hit can incapacitate an attacker for half an hour. The SD version has an impressive range of 18 meters and includes 15 balls in 3 types. Plus, the package offers 2 5-ball magazines and 2 CO2 canisters, all for $380. Brass knuckles are a fascinating topic with different regulations worldwide. In Taiwan, ownership is banned, while in Canada, plastic versions are permitted, and Brazil openly sells them for self-defense. The diverse laws surrounding these items could spark some engaging conversations. Cold Steel really knows their edged weapons. Their sword cane combines expertise with a heavy-duty design, featuring a 61-centimeter-long blade made of 3 CR13 stainless steel. The overall length is 95 centimeters with a sturdy nylon handle. And if you're looking for something different, there's a model that resembles the classic M1911 pistol handle. Grab a Cold Steel sword cane for $133. The VZ Punch Ripper is a unique brass knuckle-style tool with 9 sharp prongs, while the VZ Punch Dagger belongs to the Push Dagger family with a blade length of 5 centimeters, made from G10, a non-conductive material. Both are priced at $140. This smartphone case is the brainchild of Seth Froome, a former military policeman. The Yellow Jacket case doubles as a 650 kilovolt stun gun, ideal for throwing an attacker off balance and even rendering them unconscious. When not in use for defense, it also works as a power bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.